Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the convection element in this Frigidaire Induction range, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. For easier access, you can remove the oven door by using the flathead screwdriver to rotate the hinge locks forward. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Slide out the oven racks. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 mounting screws to release the convection fan cover. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the convection element to the rear panel. Pull the element forward and disconnect the wires. Be careful not to let the wires slip back behind the panel. To install the new convection element, first connect the wires to the terminals. Then position the element and thread and tighten the 2 mounting screws. Reinstall the fan cover by aligning it over the element and fan blade. Then thread the 2 mounting screws to secure. Replace the oven racks. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position. Then rotate the hinge locks back. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the induction range should be ready for use.